Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the build a custom React.js model using the hooks. So today we are going to learn about how to create a custom React.js model using the hooks. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see that we have a modal and here we have a close. When click on this, modal disappears. Okay, so this modal we are going to learn in this video. So let's have a look how we are going to implement this one. So let's go to the code level. So this is my modal.js file and this is my app.js file. Okay, and this is the index css which we have added over here. Okay, so you can make the design accordingly, right? So let's see how we have made this one. Okay, so here we have modal css. So first we have the app.js file. So we have used the React and the use state from the React and the model from the modal component. So this is the modal component which we have created. So this is that one. Okay, and let's understand the app.js first. So here we have a function app. Okay, then we have a is modal open and set is modal open. Okay, so by default it's false, means it by default it's close. Okay, so whenever we have a open modal, set open modal to be true. If close modal we have clicks, so then it's to be false. Okay, then here we have the modal where is open we are sending is modal, and on close we are checking up the close modal. So whatever the state is set over here, we will pass it through the component as a props, and we will get it into the modal component. Okay, so here we are just getting the props is open, is close, and the children if any they have. So here we have a model content. So is open true or false, on the behalf of it will open and close. So here you can see that. So if I go to the inspect element and the open modal, so here you can see, let me inspect this modal. Okay, so currently modal open, so the class added is modal open class. Okay, so when I try to close it, so here you can see it hides. Okay, so here the class name added the modal is open. If it is open, then open, else it gonna be blank. Okay, then we have a close button over here. When we click on the on close button, the event fire that is here, this on close, so set is modal to be false. Okay, and this is the content in the modal, that is the heading m2 content and the p tag. Okay, and the rest of the part is handling over here. I think the linking property, let me just add this one, because sometimes if we are not adding like this, it will always throw the error. Okay, like this, and when you click on this, the modal is here. So this is the modal where we have a close button and the modal content. Okay, and here we are calling it in a modal app.js file. Okay, so here, and we are setting the necessary properties over here, and we are sending the props to the modal component also. Okay, very easy, very simple, nothing much on that. Just the main property is that you have to set is modal open true and set is modal open false. And the main thing over the modal js is this one: modal is open true or false, according to the behalf of it will open or close. Okay, and on the click of the on button, so set the default property of the set is modal open to be false. Okay, so this is how we are able to build a custom react.js modal using the hooks. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.